umaga sa ating lahat. Pinapasinayahan ko ang lahat ng manlalaro at mga coach na magkaroon tayo ng I, Andren Arfon of AB Nutribeb, do hereby solemnly swear that I will abide by all rules of games, that I will respect all calls and decisions of the referees and game officials, and that I will act at all times as a true sportman whose desire to win is only second to the love of the game itself. I further solemnly declare that each game is a friendly contest done in the spirit of camaraderie and true friendship, where we triumph as concentrate victors or losers with grace and determined with will to win. To all these ideas, I hereby pledge my wholehearted cooperation and full commitment. So help me God. Maraming salamat po sa ating lahat.